Which is the southernmost tip of the mainland of India? Kanyakumari. Who is known as the Iron Man of India? Sardar Patel. Which is India's smallest state by area? Goa. Which part of the body is related to pacemaker? Heart. Who was the first Indian to make a speech in Hindi at the UN General Assembly? Atal Bihari Vajpayee. In which state of India Kaziranga National Park is located? Assam. What is the tenure of the members of the Rajya Sabha? 6 years. Who was the first Indian woman to win a medal in Olympic Games? Karanam Malleshwari. Which Sultan transferred his capital from Delhi to Daulatabad? Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Where is the Golden Temple located? Amritsar, Punjab. Who gave the slogan Jai Hind? Subhash Chandra Bose. Who founded the Ramkrishna Mission? Swami Vivekananda. Who was the first person to go into space? Yuri Gagarin. What is the chemical name of laughing gas? Dinitrogen monoxide. Which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. Which is the smallest bone in human body? Stapes, found in the middle ear. What was the old name of Sri Lanka? Ceylon. Silkworms are found on soft leaves of which tree? Mulberry tree. Which is the main gas present in sun? Hydrogen. Which is the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust? Aluminum. Who was the first Indian citizen to receive Nobel Prize? Rabindranath Tagore. Which is the longest national highway in India? National Highway 44, NH 44. Who wrote the book Das Kapital? Karl Marx. Which city is known as City of Seven Hills? Rome. In which place does Western and Eastern Ghats meet? Nilagiri Hills. Ghats